welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sukriti Sharma, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'm all dressed up and I've done my makeup because I'm getting so bored at sitting at home, nothing to do, nowhere to go. And yes, I have cut my own bangs, guys. I was so bored and I wanted to do a makeover for myself. So I was like, let's just cut them off and give myself a little bit of makeover. So I just chopped them off. I don't know, am I looking like a Chinese or something? I don't know. So I don't know how am I looking, how is this haircut, but kahin bahar to jana nahi, let's just do this experiment thingy. So I have done all this full face of makeup, the makeup which I do regularly when I go to office or some meeting or something. And then I thought of shooting a night skincare routine for you guys so that you can have a look of the products I use. So okay, for removing my makeup and all of that, I'm using this double cleansing method, which is the Korean method of double cleansing. So it happens most of the times when we remove our makeup from a micellar water or any Johnson baby oil or something. Even after that, removing the makeup, something or the other remains there on your skin, and you know, sleeping with your makeup is the worst thing you can do to your skin. So I'm using this double cleansing thing wherein it involves a oil cleanser. First thing is removing the makeup from a oil based cleanser and then a cream based cleanser. This is a double cleansing I'm doing. So let's just dive into the video and see how am I doing. Okay, the first thing first, tie up your hair so you don't want any hustle, and I am no more looking like a chinky now, hai na? No Chinese thing is happening. So first up is my micellar water. This is the oil based Garnier micellar water, which is very good for removing makeup. So this is I'm using for removing my makeup. So some of the matte lipsticks which you cannot remove from a cream based cleanser. So I'm putting it on my cotton pad, and then it says that in one swipe all of it goes off. So it's like, I don't know, micellar water and then the rest of the makeup. So I have not applied any kind of kajal or liner thing. There is a mascara and a little bit of eyeshadow on my face, on my eyes. So I'm removing that. Okay, so this is my face looking after that removing of my makeup with the micellar water. Second is a creme based cleanser. This is from Khadi Gold Cucumber Aloe Vera Cleanser. This is a very good cleanser, you guys. I think for removing makeup also, or doing this daily cleansing, toning and moisturizing, this is a very good cleanser. So I am taking this on a cotton pad as well, and then I'll cleanse it off. So this is what it is, double cleansing is about. So whatever is left on my face, the little amount of makeup which was in my pores or something, BB cream, foundation or mascara, so I'll cleanse it with this creme based cleanser and start rubbing and massaging it on my face. So what I can do is, you can see, you know, after that removing that from micellar water, still there are particles of makeup and all of that. So that's why double cleansing is very, very important. And whenever you are doing a lot of makeup or even a bit of makeup, I think double cleansing karni chahiye. So what you can do is, you can take a bit on your hands also and then massage it over, and then you can wash your face with plain water. So you can do this massaging thing so that all the dirt and gunk which are there in your pores, which are there in your pores, comes out. You that still there's so much is coming on my cotton pad after the cleansing thing. And then we all know cleansing, toning, moisturizing is very important, and you should do it 2 times a day, but time nahi milta hai subah. So raat ko after coming from office, these steps I do on a daily basis without fail. So this is a plum green tea toner. This is alcohol free. This is a very good toner. I take it on my cotton pad, or sometimes I just take on my hands and apply it directly. So toner is very important because the open pores you have and whatever is there in your pores, the dirt, the makeup, pollution, and to get rid of all that, you have to apply toner before sleeping and after cleansing your face properly. So just leave that toner on your face for around, I think, 1 minute, and let's just air dry it completely, and then we'll jump in onto the third product. So the third up is this night serum, which is from Lakme Absolute. This is an argan oil radiance overnight oil in serum. So you have to apply some kind of serum before sleeping, because 7-8 hours of sleep is there, and so your skin requires some kind of moisture and hydration, and it kind of rejuvenate. So before sleeping, do also apply a good serum. Taken 1 drop of serum and I'll apply gently on my face and massage it a bit for around 1 minute. So it gives me an hydration. I need to massage it from your neck and take it over to your face and give it a slight massage so that it can get absorbed into your skin. And overnight, this is overnight serum. I highly recommend this serum. Argan oil is really good for your skin. It gives you a natural moisture and it keeps your skin hydrated for a longer time. So any night cream you can use, or serums, oil-based serums are really good for your skin. So I recommend any oil-based serum before going to sleep. So massage it for a minute under your eyes with very light movements, and then on your face. And in the morning, your skin, you will see results after using a serum continuously for around 1 month. You'll be seeing results on your skin, I am telling you. So okay, serum से a lot of nourishment and hydration gives to your skin. But if you don't have serum, so any good moisturizer will also work. वैसे तो serums का अलग job होता है, but if you're not investing right now, or you don't have it right now with you, so any good moisturizer. I am using this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, and for dry skin people, I highly recommend a good moisturizer which is a little bit of sticky, because dry skin वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा dryness feel होती है throughout the day, and you apply makeup also. So रात को सोने से पहले always either good oil based serum or a good moisturizer which is little bit of thickness, which can actually hydrate your face. So this is optional. If you have a serum, then it's great. If you don't have, then use a good moisturizer and warm it up on your fingers a little bit and then apply it before going to bed. So you have to massage everything you're putting on your face. You have to massage, be it a serum or a moisturizer. Massage it so that it gets absorbed in your skin. All the hydration you're giving to your skin on your face. Do not forget your lips, guys. Those are the essential part of our face. So I'm using this Vadika Strawberry Lip Balm, which is a little bit hydrating. I use Himalaya sometimes, or Vaseline. Any lip balm you have in your house, take a generous amount and just apply it and sleep with it, so that it works as a sleeping mask for your lips, and your lips also get some kind of hydration, which is very important and which we somehow avoid. I don't know why. We are into lipsticks these days, and we don't apply a lot of lip balms. And so guys, this was my night skincare routine for you guys, the products I use and the procedure of them, the double cleansing. So do not sleep with your makeup on, guys. Be it a little BB cream or a foundation. Do not like just washing your face and sleep. Do that cleansing, toning, moisturizing. हम अपने लिए 5-7 minutes तो निकाल ही सकते हैं, guys. Also the girls who are having this problem of large pores, which I also have, large open pores, you can take a ice cube in a towel and massage it for 1 minute and then applying toner above it. It also helps. It is a good thing for open pores. So guys, this was my night skincare routine. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also mention in the comment section below what products you use for your night skincare routine. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm just going and sleeping. Take care, my lovelies. Stay at home. Love you. Bye.